Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how you can engage customers with question forms, allowing your customers to ask product-related questions directly from the product page. Start by logging into your dashboard. From the side menu, click on Widgets, then select Widget Settings Global. Here, you'll need to enable the Question Form widget. Next, scroll down and click on Question Form. This is where you can customize the form to suit your brand or customer needs. Once you're happy with the setup, don't forget to save your changes. Now go to the Customer Questions section in the menu. Click on Product Question Settings and make sure to turn on the Question Form option here as well. Head over to a product page on your store. You'll now see a Have a Question button displayed. Customers can simply click the button, fill out the form, and submit their questions. To view questions, return to the dashboard and select Question Inbox from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of all incoming questions. Click on the action arrow next to any question to view question and send your response. And that's it! You've successfully set up and activated the Question Form widget, making it easier for customers to reach out with product questions and for you to respond quickly. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials and support, be sure to check out our Help Center or contact us anytime.